So what's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you could promote your CPA marketing offers on this platform right here, which is called the Rumble right here. And guys, this is actually an alternative website to YouTube right here, and it actually works exactly the same way with YouTube right here, where you can actually go on to uploading cool and amazing videos right here on this platform called Rumble. So I'm going to show you how you can actually promote the CPA marketing offers on that particular platform. So make sure you do watch this video right here. And guys, without further ado, let's just simply jump right into today's video. So first of all guys, like always, grab a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. You could head on to CPA Grade, log into your account, or you could click on register, or you'll be brought to this particular page and actually do go on to create an account right here. Fill out this form, create your account successfully, and log into your account. And you should be brought to a dashboard that will look like this. Now you could click on offer tools, click on my offers, and once you do that guys, you can actually go on to selecting offers from any demographic of your choice by coming right here, filtering the demographic right here. Supposing I select this offer from the United States demographic right now. As you can see, there are a lot of offers right here which you can go on to promoting, which is why guys, you want to just make sure you promote multiple CPA marketing offers that are actually in a specific niche. So you can actually head on to this platform right here, which is called the Linktree, and you can take advantage of the Linktree to promote multiple CPA marketing offers, because with Linktree you can actually use a single link to represent multiple links. As you can see right here, it says everything you are in one simple link in bio, and you can actually use this particular platform for absolutely free. Just simply put in your username which you want to use for your Linktree account, click on claim Linktree, and your account should be created for absolutely free. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm logged into my Linktree account, and you can actually see that I'm promoting some CPA marketing offers with the help of this particular Linktree. And you can see right here that most of them are actually giveaway offers right now. So add a CPA marketing offer. You just want to just simply head to that CPA group right now and actually do click on an offer. So supposing I want to add this offer right here, I'm going to click on this offer, and I'll be showing more details to this offer right now. All you have to do is to copy the link to this offer, head on to your Linktree right here, and you can just simply click on add link, paste in that particular URL to that offer right here. But if you do click on add, take note that it will tell you that this is actually an unsafe URL. As you can see right here, it says this is an unsafe URL, which is why you want to head on to this platform called the tiny URL to shorten that lengthy URL for you. Paste in the lengthy URL and actually click on shorten URL, and this website is actually going to help you create a new URL for that CPA marketing offer, which is actually short. Copy the link right there by clicking on copy and head back to your Linktree right here. And if you do head back to Linktree, changing this particular link, and once you change that right here guys, click on enter, you can see right here that this is actually safe right now. So you can head back to your CPA group, copy the exact same title for this offer right here, and if I do highlight that and copy the title, I'm actually going to head back to my Linktree right here, click on this edit icon, and actually do go on to changing the particular title. And right now guys, you can see the title has actually been changed. So you can actually do this right here and add a lot of CPA marketing offers to this particular page right here or to your Linktree. So guys, once you do add multiple CPA marketing offers, come right here, click on share. Here's your link which you could use to promote that particular Linktree right here. Copy the Linktree, and you're actually going to leave this page right here. But guys, like I said, this platform right here called Rumble is actually a platform where you do go on to posting videos just like YouTube right there. It works exactly the same way which YouTube actually works. So to do that right now guys, or to promote your CPA marketing offer, you want to just simply get a video which you want to post right here on this particular platform. You could create a promotional video for that particular CPA marketing offers which you want to promote, or you could just simply create another random video on any other niche which you want to focus on, then use that, then actually add in some call to action for that CPA marketing offer right there. And how do we do this? We're going to take advantage of this AI tool called the Fliki.ai right here. So this is actually a video creation tool which you can actually use to create video in a simpler and faster way. You can actually convert your text to videos right here with the help of this AI, and you can do that in 2 minutes right here. So guys, you could create an account right here for absolutely free, but you do get only 5 minutes of video and audio content per month for a free account, which is why you want to simply go on to purchasing a paid plan. And you can actually check more details about the paid plans in the pricing section. So right now I'm just going to log into my account right here. As you can see, I'm in my account. I'm just going to come right here, click on new file to actually go on to creating a new video. I'm just going to give the video a name. So once I give the video a name right now, I'm going to click on create right here. And once I click on create, I can actually go on to editing my video or creating my video right now. You could come right here, click on convert. You could convert ideas to videos, you could convert blog posts to video, PowerPoint files to video, and also Twitter tweets to video right here in that section. But guys, you also want to take note that in this particular section, guys, you could just simply go on to paste in the script right here to that particular video, and it's actually going to help you create video, split your script into various scenes, and also help you select a video for each scene right there. So I can actually take advantage of AI tools like ChatGPT. So you could use ChatGPT right here to go on to generating script for that particular video which you want to use. So supposing I just generated this content right now with ChatGPT, I'm just going to copy a portion of this to not make it too long right here. I'm going to head back to Fliki AI, paste in that particular script right there, and as you can see right here, it's splitted my script into various scenes right here, about 4 scenes, and I'm actually going to go on to selecting a video for each scene. If I come right here, click on auto pick, this AI tool is actually going to help me select a video for this scene based on the content in that particular scene. As you can see right here, it has auto pick is actually successful. I can actually go on to clicking on auto pick for this scene right here, and it's also going to help me select a video for that particular scene right now. And you can see how cool the video actually are. So basically guys, if you're not actually vibing that particular video, you don't like the video, you could change the video by clicking on that video icon. You'll be able to see a lot more videos which you can actually use for that particular scene, and you could make use of that. You could actually search for keywords related to specific videos which you're looking for, and you'll be able to see videos related to that particular keyword which you can use right here for this particular video. You could come right here to my library and upload a video from your device to make use of right there. You could also do the similar thing for images right there. And guys, once you're actually done creating a video for each scene right there, you'll be able to see the preview section right here, which you could go on to previewing your video. You could come right here to this setting and actually go on to changing the aspect ratio based on your preference. You could select the square, which is 1:1, the portrait 9:16, or the landscape 16:9. I'm going to leave this on landscape, click on save, and you'll find out that the aspect ratio has actually changed right here. So you could then go on to clicking on export, and you can actually go on to downloading that particular video from this particular section once it's actually done going through the processing process. And guys, you could also come right here to this section, click on this AI name, which is Sarah, and actually go on to selecting an AI voice which you want to use for your video right here. You could use an AI voice for a particular scene, or you could use that for the entire video if you choose to. And guys, you just want to just simply explore that particular section right there. So once you've actually gotten your video, you could head on to this platform called Canva to actually go on to editing that video. You just want to put in a simple call to action on that particular video right there. You could just simply go into the video section, select this particular video template, which is actually the landscape, and make use of that. But guys, I'm just going to use the portrait right here to just simply demonstrate something to you right now so you could see how it actually looks. Supposing guys, I actually go onto my upload section and upload a video from my device right here, which is that particular video. Let me just assume that this video right here is the particular video which we're actually going to be talking about. We're actually going to be talking about. All you have to do right now is to just go into the text section, add in a header text and a subheader text also. Now for the header text, I'm just going to put in something like giveaway link, and this subheader text, I'm going to put in something like description, and I'm going to just simply go on to increasing the font size right here. So if I do successfully increase the font size, as you can see right here, the font size is actually being increased, and once that's been successfully increased, I'm just going to stretch this so you can see how it looks like right now. I'm going to drag this right here to the bottom right here. You could leave this as it is right here, but to make it more visible, you can go on to changing the color right there of that particular text. And what is actually going to be is that this text right here, which I actually did added, or call to action, is going to be throughout this particular video. Then once you do come right here, click on share, you could go on to downloading the video on your device and actually head onto this platform called Rumble. You could create an account by clicking on sign up. You can actually go on to logging into your account. As you can see right here, I'm logged into my account. To promote that particular video and CPA marketing offer, come right here, click on this plus icon, click on upload video right here, and once you actually do that, you just want to upload this video on this particular section. Once you paste the video right here, give the video a title, and in this description section, you explain what the video is all about, And also make sure you put in this link right here to your Linktree, so that they will be able to gain access to this particular CPA marketing offers. And guys, once you head back to Rumble, you just want to do that right now. So I can put in something like this giveaway link and paste in my Linktree link right here. As you can see, you can put in something like this in the description. Also describe what that particular video is all about right there. And once you are done, you could add in thumbnail just like as you do in YouTube, and actually go on to editing the visibility right here, then go on to uploading this video on this platform. And if you do that, guys, you're actually going to get lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, if you analyze the Rumble website right here on the similar web, you'll find out that it actually gets 181.7 million visits in the last 28 days. If you do scroll through, you could see the amount of visits it got in the past 3 months, and you can actually see where its top traffic actually comes from. The United States, which is about 50% of this website traffic. So you can actually see that you do get better chances of getting conversion to your CPA marketing offers if you are actually promoting offers from the United States. That's why, guys, I actually use my Linktree to create offers right here, which are only for the United States residents. And you can actually see how cool this actually is. So if you use this right here to promote your CPA marketing offers, you can actually get thousands of leads right here and start making some cool cash doing so. This is an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of right now. So guys, that's it for now. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.